We'll gather around, feel the love come down.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just got a few updates of where the direction of my channel is going to go. I've got to change some things up, and I guess I'm just going to let you know kind of what's been going on in my headspace pretty much over the last 6 months ish or so. I've noticed that views have been down considerably. I've lost a lot of subscribers. I mean, don't get me wrong, I've gained some too. And I realize that that's the game, right? You're gonna gain, you're gonna lose. Everybody has their slumps and their high times and all of the things, but it's just it's been bad, and it's been making me question some things, and honestly to the point where I even questioned on whether or not I wanted to keep my channel going. I love what I do. I truly do, but I think that going forward a change is in order, and I've noticed over the last few weeks where I've been reposting a lot of my older videos from when I was doing the things that I wanted to be doing. Does that make sense? Like I don't want to say that what I'm doing, like what I have been doing wasn't stuff that I want to do, but I like doing the more detailed kind of work, the stuff that takes more than just a pour one day, demold the next day and you're done type deal. That's I mean, those are great in their own, don't get me wrong, but that's not where my heart lies. My heart lies honestly in the details and what I can do to make things different. I don't want to be like everybody else. Like I want to be me, and I want to do the things that I want to do and enjoy the process of doing it. And I've realized that in those videos that I have been posting, like I have gotten way more views on every single video that has gone out over the last like what 3 weeks or so that I've been kind of off, right? And when I look back at those videos and what they were me trying to do something new. They were me doing what I want to do and being creative, right? Not that there's not creativity and just the pour and go type things, but like actually like having a plan, coming up with a plan and following it through and having the time to do so. And me doing 3 videos a week, it's just it's not working for me. It's not working for my personal. I have like no personal life, like zero. I do this 7 days a week, and I am still struggling and scrambling at the last minute to, you know, not even get ahead, but just to upload on time. And that's not how I want to do things, because then in my eyes, where yes, the whatever I'm making may come out and look nice and whatever, like it may be okay, but it's not the product that I want to necessarily do. It's not, I don't feel like there's a lot of thought behind it, because there isn't. Like I don't even have time to think, right? And it's my fault for putting that on myself, not having a bank of videos like already pre-done that I can pull from, so that I'm not scrambling to upload every single time I upload. And in turn, because I'm rushing, because life gets in the way, or just trying to have a life at all and go out and do anything with my family, like it just it hasn't really happened in the last couple of years. And I I can't continue going on like that. Like it's not good for me. It's not good for the channel. It's not doing anything for you guys. I'm not showing you anything new, and it's showing based on the views, right? Based on the number of people that I've lost over the last 6 months and the lack of new subscribers that I've gained. So it's not interesting, you guys, when it's the same old that everybody else and their mother is putting out, right? And that's not what I want to be. And I'm not saying anything to bash any other channels. Like, that's not what I'm getting at all. It's just that's not the vision that I had from the beginning with this channel. It was at the very beginning, it was me learning the craft, me learning the resin, and taking you guys along on my journey. And then, but where do you go once you learn it? You get comfortable, and then you just do the same old. I don't want to be comfortable. Like, yes, I know how to do resin. I know what resin I need to use for what project or whatever, but there are still, like, there's so much that I don't know that I stopped trying to learn, right? Like, I never got to, I never actually really technically figured out like the dragon scale effect. And I realized it's old news, like, it's been around forever, whatever. And it was something that I had tried before I ever started my YouTube channel, right? When I was just trying to learn how to do resin, but I never got it. I never got there. And at that point, I didn't even know how resin worked, really. Like, I was still so very, very new to everything that, I tried it and then ended up giving up on it after so many attempts. But there's just, like, there's things that I don't know how to do, or that I can't do well. I've just never figured out yet. And that's what I want to get back to. I want to get back to figuring out the different effects that I don't know, right? Figuring out, just doing different things. I love to do resin and wood pieces. Like, I think they're some of the most beautiful art out there, and different, like, what are they called? Not diagrams. What is it called? It's not a diagram, but like, where things are incorporated and you like make scenes. I can't think of the word. I know it starts with a D. It's not coming to me anyway. But, like, I like the detail work. I want to be able to do new things. I want to be able to create new molds. And yeah, I touched on that right before Christmas and kind of started, but I want to do my own, like, create an actual piece and mold it, and it be my piece, not something that I just found that I molded. Makes sense? Like, there are so many things that I want to do to be worthy of you guys spending your time and watching me. Honestly, like, it has a lot to do with it, and grow, not just sit in a comfort zone where I have kind of been just stuck for definitely the last 6 months, but maybe even the last year. Like, there just hasn't been any new thing, and it's because I don't have the time. Like, I've not allotted myself the time to be able to do it, honestly. And I want to get back to that. So I will continue to do throwbacks for tomorrow's video and Saturday's video. But beginning Wednesday, January 14th, I think it is, so a week from today, I will only be putting out one video a week, and we'll do them as premieres like we have been, right? So that I get to chat with you guys, because I do miss talking to you guys. I really, truly do. I love the interaction. I love being able to talk to all of you, and I miss that terribly right now. So we'll do the premieres at 3 o'clock on Wednesdays. Here and there, when, excuse me, here and there, as I may have an extra video, or I have to put out something or whatever, I may throw an extra video out. I don't know. But as of right now, that's what we're going for. One video a week. Wednesdays at 3 o'clock will be the upload time. This way, I'm not fighting for the time like on Tuesdays like I did, because Andy and his lives that he has, I don't want to do that. And I just, Wednesdays right smack in the middle of the week, and then that leaves open my Saturdays to where I can actually maybe have a family life again and stuff like that, and be able to go out and do things and not be tied down because of premieres or whatever. And then if we have extra videos, then that's great, and I will let you guys know. But I just think that this is a change that will be good for me, be good for the channel, hopefully be good for you guys, to where you're actually learning something new and not just watching the same thing that you've been watching on every channel that you watch forever. Like I really, really I need the change. I need it. Me personally, I need it. And I definitely think, based upon the analytics that, I've been looking at, that have been really, really crazy depressing for the last 6 months, that the channel needs to change too. And if going down to 1 video a week is what it's going to take so that I can get ahead, I can do the things that I want to do and bring new things to you, new ideas, new whatever, then that's what I'm going to do. And we'll just kind of see how it goes. So, excuse me. So yeah, that's what's going on. So there will be another throwback tomorrow, one on Saturday, and then beginning Wednesday will be all new videos once a week on Wednesdays at 3 p.m. I really hope to see you guys there. I hope that you like my new content, and that we can move on and we can actually grow and learn some new things this year. That being said, since I really didn't talk to any of you much over the Christmas and New Year holiday, I hope everyone had a very, very Merry Christmas. I hope you got to spend it with your family, your loved ones, your friends, whatever. And I hope that all of you had a wonderful, wonderful New Year. I hope that 2026 brings you peace and prosperity and all of the things that you were looking for. For me, I hope it brings the change that I need in my personal life, in my professional life, and that I move forward to all of the things that I want to do. Anyway, I will see you guys on Wednesday and the next one. Love ya. Bye.
Blue elephant is strong. Together we belong.